Although is more formal than though. In spoken English, though is used more than although. Now, let me show you some differences between these two words. Number 1. Though can be used as an adverb, although cannot be. Number 2. We say even though to emphasize a fact but not even although. Now, let me clarify these things. First, let's see an example. Though or although it was raining, the boys were playing. In this sentence, though or although has been used as a conjunction which connects two clauses. Notice the use of comma which has been used after raining in this sentence. If we say the boys were playing though or although it was raining, still we are using though or although as a conjunction. But in this sentence, we have not used any comma. If though or although clause goes at the beginning of a sentence, we use a comma after the first clause. Now, let's come to the first point. Though is an adverb. In this case, it means however or nevertheless. Let's see an example. She said she would help me. She didn't though. In this sentence, this means that however she didn't help me. We usually put though at the end of a clause in this case. We cannot say she said she would help me, she didn't although. We can use only though in this case. Let's see another example. Mira says it's expensive. Lira says it's nice though. This means that Lira agrees that it's expensive. It's nice to her. However, it's nice to her. We cannot say it's nice although. Let's come to the second point. Let's see an example first. He did not stop doing that nonsense even though everybody was telling him to. We have used even though instead of though or although to emphasize the fact that it was everybody that was telling him to stop. But he did not listen to them. So in this case, we cannot say he did not stop doing that nonsense even although everybody was telling him to. We can only use even though. We cannot say even although. If you like this video and want me to make more videos like this for you, please support me by liking the video, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel.